So hello everyone. So from now I'm starting learning FastAPI. So and you guys are with me, okay? Yes. So the first thing is why we are choosing to learn FastAPI. What is makes different from the Flask and Django? Like Django is the framework. It has some set of rules defined, which is very good for the production. Uh, but due to its framework architecture, it becomes very difficult to keep our code flexible. This is the difference between a framework and a library. Like library doesn't have any set of rules. We can keep any file as we want anywhere and folders and the name, our choices of our name. Yeah, that's the one difference. And another difference is like FastAPI is asynchronous in nature. Like we can have the uh, multiple session running simultaneously in parallel. That's why. And one more thing that the FastAPI provides the inbuilt documentation, which is the very crucial thing. So yeah, first of all, let's create the virtual node. I already have one. So how to create this? The command is pi minus m oenv dot venv. From this, you can make a virtual node. I already have, so I'm not running it. And if you are on Mac or Linux, instead of pi, write Python 3 like this. You can see in my terminal Python 3. Okay, like you can see clearly. And after that, you have to activate with the command your virtual environment name slash script slash activate. Mine is already activated, so if it is got activated, you got this folder name in parentheses in front of your path. Like I'm using Gitbed, so it is showing me this pound sign, dollar sign. Okay, so yeah, that's all for the virtual environment. Now for running the fast API, we need three packages: Fast API, Ubicon, and Pendantic. This is the basic three. Why these are the basic three? Because Fast API, yeah, obviously we need a framework. We are working with Fast API, we have to install it. It doesn't come pre-installed with Python. Okay, after that, Ubicon, the reason we are using Ubicon and why I have written like this, like we only want the packages or files from the Ubicon which are supported by Fast API. We don't need anything else. So Fast API doesn't have any inbuilt server to run it. It have everything, but it require a server to run this. So Ubicon is that web server, and Pydantic is the our data validation library. As Python doesn't have any inbuilt type checker, so Pydantic helps us to validate our data. Okay, so write our API. We need to import fast API class. We need to import fast API class from our fast API package. Now we have to instantiate it, like we will have to make the object of our class. In Python, you make an object of a class like this. Like you give the name of to the variable and then class and with parentheses. Okay. Now let's make it decorator. This is our route. Give me a moment. Yes, so now you were thinking why I have write it like this at app.get. Okay, so in Python, when we are having this at sign, so this signifies that this is a decorator over here. So what is a decorator? Decorator is the function of a function. So like if I show you the internal working of this, let me just comment it on. Let me first just turn off the status bar. Status bar. Okay. Do I get anything? Yeah. Let me just turn this off. Give me a moment. Mm, Let me have just give me a moment. Snooze. Yeah. Now will suggestions not bother us. Okay. So how is a decorator is working behind the scene? Like I have made a function def that call it cover. In this we are expecting a function. Okay. Function. Okay. So now in this we are modifying the function. This function of a function. Okay. This is wrapper. This function is doing nothing, right? Print before function runs. Okay, like fn over here, and after this we run right after function ends. Okay, now we here return fn. Now we'll write return wrapper. Okay, okay. So now what this cover do? We write this cover with at sign. Now we write a function over here. What happened? Def book. Now cover up our book. Okay. Print between function and return. Okay. Now, now let's try to run our function. Before that, let's so wait. We have to initialize this function. No. Okay. As we initialized it. So py main dot py return. Oh, sorry, my mistake. It's return return. What the hell? Why I am so wrong type? Again, book type error, none type, object is not callable. Okay, why this book object is not callable? We have to find that. So wait a minute, let me get back to you. So yeah, I get it now. The problem was we have parentheses here, and we have to return the instance, not the complete function. So we are doing like this, okay? And now if we run this python main.py, we have this here, like you can see before run, between, after, yeah. So Decorators pretty much work like this. This is just a small demonstration I have shown to you. Okay. Okay, let's remove it all and bring our whole code back. Okay, so yeah, here we have this. Okay, so now let's run our file. Now for running our first API code, we have to write like this. What is this? Like Ubicon, our server name, Ubicon we are using. Main, our entry point, like this is our file name. App, our object instance name, like app over here, you can see. And reload means hot reload. Okay, now let's run this. Woof, it's running. Okay, now let's do check. Local host share doesn't. Yeah, here it is. Now let me show you one more thing. We have only created, but now see we have this documentation. Let me create one more endpoint, then show you. Now you can see why hot reload is important. You can see as I am typing, it's all getting saved and server is getting reload. You see, it's getting reload automatically. Now if I do like see we are on the about page. This is the about page. And now if I go on the docs, see we have now two endpoint we can see inspect them here by clicking on it. There are the whole information about it. We can also test this endpoint by the right now. Okay. Yeah, see here the response of this API we should see in the page. Like if you want to see this ones by clicking over here. Is the yes, see. So that's all for today. I'll put this on the my GitHub if you wanna say like it doesn't have anything to see over GitHub. This is very big nothing. You find this whole thing in the fast API documentation. Here's the fast API documentation. You can see the fast API. Just search fast API like this. Fast API. Go on the very first link. There you can see here like in this they have using UV, which is the Rust based Python interpreter. We are using Python, which is C based Python interpreter. So this doesn't make any change, just the compilation speed. Okay, so bye.